This time on Low Boost, my dad gets a 1967 Chevelle. So what you guys are laying your eyes on here is my dad's new driver. Now, don't worry, he's not getting rid of the Ford pickup truck, but it is gonna be a while before we get it running. And he had been a long time since he's driven a classic car and he was starting to get the itch. So he ended up picking this up. It's a 1967 Chevelle Malibu 350 with the 4-speed on the floor. Now, after doing some research, I think the car was originally an automatic. And based on some of the research that my dad did, the non-super sport Chevelles came with a 283 or a 327. They weren't 350 cars. So this is an original, but I mean, it's a great driver. The interior on this thing is phenomenal. It's got some tweaks. We're gonna do some stuff too. Gonna fix the horn to get it to pass inspection and some other things, but the paint on this is in really good shape. As you can see here, this isn't the original color. It was restored once, but I like white. I think it looks great. And it's got power brakes, power steering, heat, and air conditioning. This is a perfect summertime car show driver for my parents to drive around in and get some ice cream and to scare the neighbors with some burnouts as well. So this is obviously a little different than some of the stuff that we've had on the channel. Obviously, we got the Mustang back there, 1966 Mustang, and the 1953 Ford F100 pickup truck that we're working on. This one is not gonna have as much screen time on the channel unless you guys want it, so let me know. Because it is a driver, we're not gonna be doing a whole lot of work on it. We'll be taking it to car shows and driving it around and having a lot of fun with it. What's cool when you buy a car that's not a project is, there's not a whole lot to do on it other than to drive this thing. So my dad's really excited to do that. Let me know what you guys think. Modifications that we've seen that we know of. It's got a Holley Street carburetor, 750 CFM, Edelbrock intake manifold, and some decent headers. It's got 2-inch exhaust all the way back with some decent mufflers. So it's actually relatively quiet. It does rumble like it has a little cam in it. So we'll let you hear that. But other than that, it's pretty mild build. I'd like to get it on a dyno, see what it makes. The butt dyno on me maybe makes me feel like it's got around 300 horsepower. I don't know. But, you know, we'll definitely do a video on that. So let me know what you guys think. If you want to see me do more videos on this, if you want to see it on the dyno, let me know what you guys think. If you know what this actually came with, because it was originally an automatic car and they put a manual box in it. So we're assuming the engine could have been swapped out as well. happened? He did a one-wheel peel. That's what happened.
Far away then.
Yeah. Nice Chevelle. Oh, he's gonna drive it. Well, that wraps it up for this episode. Let me know what you guys think about the car. I think it's absolutely awesome and a blast to drive. Very comfortable, especially with air conditioning and 95-degree weather. So, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.